Okay, this is it. Behind me is the Nandaki Bakery. It is a family-owned bakery since 1940 and they still make the bread traditional way, and we're gonna witness some amazing bread crafting. So let's go. The morning starts with a dough that was already prepared and rested. The flours used are whole wheat flour, white whole wheat, and very healthy hemp flour as well for some breads. All the work involves hands, except the machine in the back, which is used to shape the dough into oval loaves. There's a lot of action already at Andraki Bakery. I came at 6 a.m. but many of the breads were already done and the fire has been lit in the oven. This is a very old traditional oven, wood fired. It's quite hot once you get near it. There's a huge wooden table just across the oven, obviously for the bread to be dished out, and I can't wait to see it getting baked. Starting off with 1 kilo loaves of bread, and they always get that blade signature on top, and they also need to be positioned properly in the oven due to their size and weight, because some of the breads will bake faster and some of them slower. Of course, they have more of the other pastries that they bake in the same oven, such as this pide. The crust is stuffed with cheese and then different toppings come later. Some of the flatbreads are ready. The smell is of course even better now in the bakery, but it will take around 30 to 40 minutes for all that bread to get done, and then we'll see probably the most beautiful sight you can see in any of the bakeries.
blenders a base. So you know I need the blender.
Bread is being packed for large buyers such as shops or restaurants into these big paper flour bags. Some very hot and fresh bread is flying out of that oven. Got the fresh bread, but also some nice looking Bugazza vanilla from the same bakery. Very hot bread. Okay, this is it. Hot and straight out of the oven. I had to get one fresh bread and try it myself. That's it, there isn't really a substitute for a beautiful homemade bread. Check out our 2 other videos from Crete, 24 hours in Crete. And also the Greek barbecue master.
Salt, salt, salt. Because you don't put nothing else.
Obviously hard work and following up on your tradition pays off. Family-owned bakery producing a couple of hundreds of breads each morning, and it's really part of this neighborhood and of this city. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. All the best.